The fully automatic sawmill production line is a highly automated production system, mainly used to cut logs into veneers or other required wood components. The production line works together through a series of automated equipment to achieve full automation from log loading to finished product collection. The fully automatic sawmill production line has the following technical features. Efficient, significantly improved production efficiency through the use of automation and efficient equipment. Energy saving, reduce energy consumption and reduce production costs. Saving time and effort, reduce manual operations and reduce labor intensity and other advantages. Okay, that's the end of today's introduction. See you next time.